huge advantage of police SUVs is the openness of the rear cargo area. However, this openness can create a disadvantage if expensive duty gear and equipment are left visible through the wraparound style windows. Pro-Gard's rear window guards provide a secure barrier between the officer's equipment and the SUV windows that can easily be shattered by thieves. Our rear window guards install underneath the OEM trim for a smooth fit that won't scratch or snag clothing. They mount close to the window and have a 2-inch wire spacing that doesn't interfere with the driver's rear window visibility. Each set includes guards for both the rear side windows and the rear cargo hatch window. Combine them with Pro-Gard's cargo barriers to create a completely secured cargo area for all of your equipment.